video, let's talk about the law of exponent. The first law of exponent is product rule, or what we call the product law. X is our base. Since they are the same, what we're going to do is just copy the base and add the exponent. So this will become 2 plus 3. The answer is x raised to 5. Second law is what we call the quotient law. Since the base are the same, so what we're going to do is just copy the base, then subtract the exponent of the numerator to the exponent of the denominator. So this will become x raised to 5 minus 2, and then the answer is x cubed. Third law is what we call the negative exponent law. If the exponent is negative, yung positive ang ating exponent, just rewrite it to fraction form. So yung magiging base natin ay mapupunta na sa denominator. This will become 1 over x cubed. The next law is power to power. Kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa ang ating exponent yan. So what we're going to do is just copy the base, then multiply the two exponents. So this will become x raised to 3 times 5. The answer is x raised to 15. Next law is power of a product. Since dalawa ang ating base dyan, yung coefficient at yung variable, so what we're going to do is just distribute the exponent to our coefficient and to our variable. So this will become 2 squared x squared, and after that, simplify your coefficient. So 2 squared is equal to 4, then copy the variable x squared. Next one is power of a quotient. So same lang siya sa power of a product. Ang pinagkaiba lang nito, ito naman ay naka-fraction form. Same procedure, i-distribute lang natin yung exponent sa numerator at denominator, then simplify your answer if necessary. And this will become x squared over 5 squared is equal to 25. We have 0 exponent. Always remember na kapag ang exponent ay 0, ang sagot ay laging 1. So this will become x raised to 0. The answer is 1. Next is identity exponent. Since our exponent is 1, so all we have to do is just copy the variable. That is the answer. The last one is what we call the fractional exponent. Papansin nyo, ang ating exponent ay fraction. So what we're going to do is, ating numerator ang magsiserve as exponent of the variable, and then ang ating denominator, siya na yung magiging index. Therefore, x raised to 3 over 2 is equal to square root of x raised to 3. That's it. Thank you for watching.